One of the major goals for Targus in starting this video process and really trying to understand what the objectives are for for video at Targus was to look at where we plan to show the videos. We have products in every major retail chain across the country. You've got so many opportunities for your products to be in front of customers, but what's missing is the story behind the product. And that story is really what differentiates Targus as a brand. One of the challenges in starting the video project was that we needed to be able to create a process that was reproducible on a very large scale. From the first production that we had together, I immediately felt a really strong level of competence with everyone. It's great to have a team environment where you have a group of very competent people. There's also a great level of competency in the post-production piece where I know that I don't have to micromanage, where really some of the best considerations that need to be made for the video treatment are done without any guidance. They really sit down and look at it, and they're able to understand where the video will be used and make the judgment calls that are needed without the client having to come in and understand the whole video process from top to bottom. Pairing with the Rhythm Interactive team has been, I knew it was the right decision to make at the beginning, and I had seen the track record. But even with some of the feedback that I've had from other people that I brought into the project, everyone has been really happy with the Rhythm Interactive team. They've been really comfortable, and they've also reciprocated the idea that the whole overall working process has been fluid, organized, and very productive. And everyone who's seen the product has been really happy with the quality. As a result, we have an incredibly great product for a value that is, again, it's reproducible, and it's manageable. The product from Rhythm Interactive it absolutely rises above that, and you can tell by looking at the end product that somebody who understands each element of what goes into video and producing the best possible video on web has been overseeing the project, and they're able to really make some key decisions about how the video is filmed and what type of editing tools are being used and how it's output and what type of compression tools are being used. Being able to create something that represents our company at the quality to what people are seeing from much larger productions at a fraction of the cost is something that it's something that I've aspired to, but I didn't know was within reach until really this relationship with Rhythm Interactive was started and came to fruition. Given how important video is, any company that's focusing on growth in web, I would strongly recommend a partnership with Rhythm Interactive to help foster and grow that opportunity.